Australian soldiers once lost a war to a horde of giant, flightless birds. In the Great Emu War of 1932, heavily armed military men faced off against tens of thousands of emus, and the birds came out on top. Armed with machine guns and trucks, the soldiers expected an easy victory. Instead, they found themselves outmaneuvered as emus scattered in unpredictable patterns, dodging bullets with surprising speed and intelligence. The birds destroyed crops and evaded every trap, leaving the military frustrated and embarrassed. At one point, soldiers fired more than 2,500 rounds and barely made a dent in the emu population. The government finally admitted defeat, and the emus strutted away as the only animals to ever defeat the Australian Army in open conflict. The Great Emu War remains one of history's most bizarre military failures.